If you want to get funded fast and actually receive payouts, this is the video you need to watch. I'm going to show you exactly how GoFunded Trader works, the plans, the payouts, and the proof, and the real community behind it. So let's go. A lot of traders waste time on platforms that feel unreliable, restrictive, and simply complicated. GoFunded Trader is one of the most straightforward and transparent funding programs out there. They paid out over more than $11 million to traders worldwide, and you can scale all the way up to $2 million in trading capital. So in this video, I will show you their website, their funding plans, the payout proof, and a Discord community where traders share real results every day. Alright. So this is the official homepage of GoFunded Trader. Right away, you can see the core stats of the company, such as they own 100% of their own tech. They have paid out $11 million plus in payouts, and they have over 240,000 traders plus worldwide. This means they aren't relying on third-party servers or liquidity services. They actually built their infrastructure, which is a big difference for most platforms. So here under Choose Your Best Account, you can choose the account size and funding program. You can select 1-step, 2-step, 3-step, or instant funding, depending on your trading style. Account sizes start from $5,000 all the way up to $400K, and you can scale all the way up to $2 million. Also, there are often discount codes available. So if you were just to take a quick scroll up, you can see at the top, there's buy one, get one free plus 40% off a limited time using code BOGO40. So most of the time there are discount codes available. Just make sure that you are checking the website. You can also check our platforms like Instagram and Discord if you want to see what discount codes are available at the time. So before you start, you always are going to want to make sure that you're looking at the promotions, and they will often be at the top of the website on the banner. So make sure you check that out. Now I'm going to show you the pricing selection. And as you can see here, first time users get 50% off. So let's say we're starting on the first step challenge doing 100K. As you can see here, it tells you what the target is for step 1, your daily drawdown, your maximum drawdown, your trading period, and your leverage. On the second is once you are funded and you have passed the challenge. And here you can add on-demand payouts or bi-weekly. Leverage is the same, and profit split is 80% standard, or you can get 100% profit split as an add-on. You scroll down here, you can see that news trading is allowed plus weekend holding. Go under 2-step. You have 3 different options here for your 2-step. You can have GOAT, standard, or pro. As you can see here with GOAT, we have an 8% target, 4% daily drawdown, 10% maximum drawdown. There's no time limit on how long you can trade. Leverage is up to 100. And we just want to go to standard to see the difference. So your profit target is 10%, your daily drawdown is 5%, your maximum drawdown is 10%. And as you can see, there is a little bit of difference. So you have to figure out what works best for you and what exactly are you looking for. Because GoFunded Trader offers a lot of options to fit a lot of trader needs. Then we have a 3-step, which is going to be our cheaper challenge. And it comes with their different target. Instant is instant funding. You don't have to pass the challenge, right? You're already instantly funded. If you're looking to avoid the hectic of doing a challenge, then instant account would be for you. Then we have our gold split. So each plan here explains the rules and all of the profit targets that you would need to reach. There are no hidden traps, unrealistic time periods, and no forced strategy. You trade your own style. Remember, the goal is to be consistent. And once you pass, your fee is 100% refundable. So whatever you bought your account for, you get your money back, which is really important because it means you're not paying to trade. You're investing in access to capital. And that's what Platform is all about, providing you the capital that you don't have. And now we are here under trade with your favorite platforms. So we have Trade Locker, Match Trader, Volumetrica, FX, and MetaTrader 5. So whatever works for your flow better. I personally like working with Trade Locker. Ever since MetaTrader 5 got taken out for you as client, Trade Locker is as close as possible that you can get to MetaTrader 5 is basically trading off the trading view chart to me. So if that's what you're looking for, then Trade Locker might be for you. If you want something a little bit different, Match Trader just works fine, great, or whatever you want Go Fund a Trader fits your needs. If you scalp, swing trade, or use order flow, you'll find something that matches your setup. So now I am under our features grid. So this is some of the reasons why many traders love GFT. For one, news trading is allowed. You can have fast bi-weekly payouts or even add-on payouts if that's something you want to add on at checkout. First reward on demand. So no need to wait. There is no time limit, no rush to pass your challenge. Take all the time you need. There's no hidden rule. You get 100% profit split, and these are 100% refundable once you pass. There's also up to $2 million that you can scale in funding, so there's always more to get here. And you can trade up to $2 billion and get paid 100% on demand. This structure is built for long-term growth, not just luck. So that's why it's really important to be consistent in your trading, because there's so many available options for you to grow, like scaling up to $2 million. That is something that you get with consistency and not luck. Now I want to show you guys some of our top earners and our top payouts here at Go Fund a Trader. These are real traders who have earned a significant amount of money. But these are consistent traders, not just a one-time big win. As you see here, we have Jose, who has received $9,401.23, and he's from the United States. We can go over to Arthur, who has got a big payout of $40,000, 152. He's also from America. And this is just something that you can also see on our Discord. We are updating our payouts every time we get them. As you can see, Go Fund a Trader has already paid out over $11 million plus to traders worldwide. Now that is a big number. And what I really like is that the payout history is public. So full transparency. There's no need to hide here. You can see real payouts, certificates, real names, real countries, and a number of times each trader has withdrawn a payment. So here is some of our top traders. We have one from United States, one from England. You can see how many payouts they have taken out in total. These are lifetime payouts. This is very important because it shows consistency and not luck. Remember, these traders are consistent traders and not just, hey, I got a really big payout one time and I never got another payout again. These traders aren't just getting lucky with one win. They are receiving multiple payouts over time, which means that this system is actually supporting long-term trading success. Now that you see how the funding works and the advantages that you can get, if you want to start trading with real capital and not just a small personal account, you could get funded and trade up to $400,000 with us. You can also join our private community of funded traders where you can learn, share, and grow with others that are on the same path as you. The link to get started is in the description. You can choose your plan and begin whenever you are ready. Now I'm going to show you our payout calculator. So this is basically showing you how much you can make in a month, depending on your account size and your profitability win rate, based on what profit split that you have. So this one here is based on a 100% profit split. As you know, our standard is 80%. So that's why having that add-on is very important, because you want to take home as much as you can. Of course, this is not guaranteed. This is all just based on your performance. So keep that in mind. Remember, your discipline and strategy matter. But this helps you understand that's what's possible when you're trading with funded capital instead of your own money. Not all of us has 100K, 200K of capital to trade with. That's where prop firms come in and intervene and solve that solution for us once we have shown them that we are a consistent trader. So let's just go ahead and look into this. Let's say I have a 100K account and I'm making about 6%. I have a 6% profit rate win per month. That means I'll be taking home $6,000 per month. Let's just say I have a smaller account, like 10K, and I'm taking home about like 15% of that. I have 15% win rates on a 10K account. What does that look like? As you can see here, I would take home $1,500 per month with a 100% profit split. So this calculator is a very good estimate of what's possible. So that is something that you can go ahead and check out. Put your account size, track your data of what's your percentage of a win rate per month, and then go ahead and see how much money that you can take home per month. So now here in our website navigation bar, as you can see, we have our socials, we have our Instagram platform, Discord, X, YouTube, and LinkedIn. You can also look under payouts, affiliates, about, blog, FAQ, and contact. If you need to contact us for any reason, our contact information is in that tab, along with our policies, our refund policy, complaints policies, private policies, and our terms of service. I highly recommend you to follow our socials because we're giving out discount codes and you can find them faster on Instagram and Discord and Twitter and things though. Definitely follow us on socials. So I'm just going to quickly just go ahead and click on that tab so you can see. As you can see, payouts, which is briefly showing you a history of payouts that some traders have received with us. What about frequent asked questions? Because this is something that I look for when I am looking for platforms. So I want to see, hey, what platform can I trade on? What leverage is allowed? Is news trading allowed? What instruments can I trade on? How long is it going to take to receive my reward? And how long is a withdrawal process? So you can start with our general. So what is the questions that most people are asking? You would find under this tab. After you have bought an account, when will I receive my credentials? How do I receive my certificate? Can I merge accounts? Is there any inactivity limit? So on and so forth. We're going back into models. So these are the models that GoFundTrader is currently offering. As you see, we have a one-step model, two-step model, three-step, instant lending models, Go Blitz, and a Go $1 model. Very interesting. Under platforms, you can understand the platforms that we offer, such as TradeLocker, MatchTrader, Volumetrica FX, and MetaTrader. So just understanding those better. Very important here. Actually, you're going to want to read the rules before you start trading your account so that you do not lose it and you understand everything completely. Is it mandatory to use a stop loss and take profit? As you can see, no, it is not, but it is highly encouraged. Is hedging allowed? What is the risk limitation policy? Which means let's not full port our accounts now. Next, I am going under affiliate. Just quickly, how you can become an affiliate for GoFundTrader. Start earning big today. If that is something that you are interested in, you can definitely see what you can earn depending on how many referrals that you recommend to us and everything that is available to you. Next, we're going under the tab About. So this is just simple information about us. Everything you need to know. When we were established in 2022, we're already in 100% own in-house technology, which is very huge. And how we can compare to other platforms that are out there, some of the major platforms, and you can see and decide for yourself. Next, and then we're going to go under our contact information. So once you fill this out, if you have any questions, put your full name, your email address, the subject, and your message, and then someone will get to you. One thing I like about GoFundTrader is that customer service is very fast and supportive. And here we have our newsletter sign up. So you can simply put your email here and we will email you giveaways, discounts, and promotions so that you don't miss anything. And if you need help changing the language of the website, just scroll all the way up to the top and under here. So here you have English, Espanol, France, Indian, and Italian. Remember, you can also see some of the tabs here at the top of the website, so you don't need to scroll all the way down to get to the most important tabs. So here's the affiliate program where traders can earn commission by referring others. So this is very useful if you have a big following on social media, or you know a lot of traders, or you simply just have a big network. Affiliate is something that you might want to look into. Right, so under the About tab, just gives you a little insight of what the company is like, when it was founded, and a lot of cool little facts about us. The frequent asked questions is where most people have questions. So if you don't want to talk to customer support and quickly find something, this is the tab that you're going to want to go under. It has things like roles, payouts, scaling, and all of the platform details. The contact page is where traders can contact our team if they need directly support or quick assistance, and you just can't simply find the question that you're looking for under frequent asked questions, go ahead and contact our customer support. So now that we already have seen the full layout of the GoFundTrader website, let's move into the Discord community, where there are real traders who talk, share setups, and post real results every day. So I am now going to Discord. So as you can see here on the left tab, this is where you can go ahead and find any sections such as our giveaways, official links, questions. This is our general chat, which is where most traders go to. As you can see, People are just conversating, asking for support. So here under Trade Ideas, this is where other traders share their thoughts and ideas on what the market is doing at that time. So if you're looking for help and guidance, and this is where you can find your peers bouncing off their ideas, and you can also share yours. Next, we have payouts. You can just scroll through it, see who's getting paid, how much they're getting paid. When they got paid, we are posting daily payout certificates. So that is proof. Posting your payouts, posting your certificates. And we also have a memes tab. So if you ever just need to laugh a little bit, or, you know, you're feeling a little down after a trade, just come in here and see what people are saying. I mean, I myself come here sometimes and I have a complete laugh. People just say the craziest stuff here. Like this one here, working for 30 minutes versus looking at charts for 8 hours a day. I myself I'm guilty. So this is an official Discord server. As you can see, how many traders we have here. So there are more than 80,000 traders inside of this Discord server, and they're talking, sharing, and supporting one another. So here you'll find general chat, which is the one that's always going off, trade ideas, trade analysis. Support staff is always available here in general chat, as you can see. Customer service is pretty fast and consistent. And even fun channels like memes, games. We have here mini games, games chat, game announcements, so that you don't miss the next game. Because trading shouldn't be a lonely journey, right? So this is where you can come and find some online trader friends, enjoy some laughs, get some help, support, what people in your career field are doing. So this is where a lot of people can gain confidence, because you see real traders with real results every single day. If you're losing hope, or you're giving up, or you're thinking this is impossible, just go in here and talk to these people and say, hey, if he can do it or she can do it, why can't I? And they'll even help you out. They'll even trade off some ideas. You can help them, they'll help you. So this is definitely a community that you want to join and get into, because it can help level up your trading game in so many ways. So if you're a trader who wants to grow without risking your own capital first, Go Fund a Trader is generally one of the most supportive and funding program out there. Start small if you want to. Take your time, practice, improve, and when you're ready, you'll have a funding and a community to back you up. I'll leave the link down below. If you want to get funded, scale your trading, and build your confidence, everything you need is right here.